Welcome to this demonstration and tutorial of iMovie 10.1.8. I'll be giving you 8 pieces on how to use iMovie. In order to use iMovie, the first thing you need to be able to do is create a project and import your media. There's 3 tabs at the top: Media, Projects, and Theater. We'll be ignoring the Theater tab. Under the Media tab, you have the ability to create events. I'll be calling this event B-roll. Then choose Import Media. In this case, I'll be selecting 6 video clips that I've pre-recorded for this demonstration. Then we'll head to the Projects tab. From here, you can hit Create New and select Movie or Trailer. Standard editing occurs in the movie mode. When you go to export this or go back to the project screen, it will ask you to name the movie. I will be calling this iMovie Tutorial, then selecting OK. The second thing you need to understand is how to drag content to the timeline. In this case, all we have to do is select the clip and drag it down to the timeline. There are 2 places to drag it: the general video area, which can also hold audio, or the music area all the way at the bottom of the screen. Generally, I suggest you avoid this and attach audio directly to the clips above. You can adjust volume of a clip by selecting right here with the 2 little arrows and then using a percentage between 0 and 400. If you're going for a green screen effect or a title on top of a video, you should understand that you can also drag content on top of other clips. The next thing you'll want to understand is how to create and edit a title. Titles can go as their own clip, in which case the default is a black background, or on top of another clip. All you have to do is select it and then type over here on top of the video. You can also edit the font information right here. The next thing you should understand are transitions. There is a Transitions tab at the top. All you have to do is pick a transition and drag it between 2 clips. I suggest fade to black at the end of videos as well. In order to add music, we'll go to the Audio tab. These are built in, but you also have access to your iTunes library or GarageBand projects. I'll be dragging some music down, placing it below the clip, and turning the volume down. I'm also going to mute the volume of this clip while I'm here. It is important you understand how to trim or splice video clips. You can trim a clip by going to the end of it with your mouse, receiving the 2 arrows, and dragging in. You can also select anywhere along a clip and use the Command B shortcut to split it in 2, and then delete part of it. In this case, I'll be doing that to the audio. But in order to make this shortcut apply to the audio, you have to click on the audio to get the yellow border. Then use Command B and delete the remainder. The next topic I'll show you is editing a video clip using advanced features. There are a series of icons here at the top. All the way on the left, you have some automatic options in terms of color management. The next one over is going to allow you to do them manually. For an example, I'll turn the saturation down myself. Here, you have the ability to crop a video down, reposition it, or use the Ken Burns zoom effect. Here, you can stabilize shaky video. Here are more audio options. You have the ability to reduce background noise on a clip here. The speedometer icon opens speed, so we can slow this clip down. When a clip's speed has been changed, you are also given a manual adjustment option. You'll be able to drag a gray circle at the end, and this will also affect a clip speed. I'll drag a few more clips down and tell you what I'm doing so you understand. I'll drag this clip down and place it at the end, then turn up the volume just a little so we can easily hear the printer. let me play it back first. Now, I've noticed a few things. One, I'd like to cut the clip here, so I'll drag from the end. I'd also like to start the clip right before the paper starts to come out of the printer, so I'll click here and use the Command B shortcut and then delete the first part of the clip. I've already turned up the volume, and now I'd like to apply the Ken Burns zoom effect. So all I have to do is click the clip, click the cropping symbol at the top, choose Ken Burns. First, you get the option to pick your starting crop, and then you'll have the option to select your ending crop. Complete such by using the checkmark button. Now let's watch it again. Now, I'll take this video of a cat, and I'd like to crop it right about here, delete the remainder of the clip, select the clip, and we're going to speed it up a little. So I'll choose the speedometer icon, fast, and I'd also like to turn up the saturation, and then we'll do some other effects, give it a bit of an artistic feel here, and play that back. Now, you'll notice something is that my voice in this clip now has a chipmunk tone. By default, when you apply fast motion to a clip, you get that side effect. However, if you go back to the speed, you can choose the preserve pitch option. Hello. Are you okay? And it will sound normal again. Let's get into the green screen effects. First, drag a clip to your baseline. Then, take your green screen clip and drag it on top of that clip. I'll pick where I'd like to start this. Delete that. Now, you'll notice, normally, there's no icon all the way to the left here for green screen options. However, when you drag a clip on top of another, an icon is added. We can choose a picture-in-picture, a split screen, or green-blue screen. When we choose that, it automatically removes the color that it thinks is correct. In this case, it came out fine. I'll play it back for you. The last thing you should understand how to do in iMovie is export your video. Choose the share icon in the upper right, choose File. Here you have another chance to name it. Select your output resolution, quality, etc., and hit Next. It will ask you where you want to save the file, and hit Save. You'll see this little pie icon right here, which will slowly fill up as the clip is exported. Please do subscribe to my channel. It's the only way that I can keep producing videos like this. And if you subscribe, I'm hoping to start doing some additional tutorials and other bonus exclusive content. So click right here to subscribe. Thank you so much.